How's it going, guys? This here is one of the coolest products that I've seen in a while. What I have is the Accsoon SEEMO, and what it does is converts your phone into a field monitor and a recorder. That's right, you heard me correctly, a recorder. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to upload high quality social media content. I know there's the argument, why not just use your iPhone? The quality is good enough these days, and I do agree to that to some extent. But if we're gonna get real, iPhone cameras cannot replace high quality cameras. And that is why this piece of gear is such a great addition. Now you're gonna get all the excellent monitoring features with this product, but I'm not gonna go into all the technical details in this video. If you wanna see a great breakdown of all of its features, check out Philip Bloom's video. I'll link it in the description below. But stick around if you want to get a general overview of it and learn about its pros and cons. All right, let's jump right into the pros. First, talking about the price, it is only $179 US. This is significantly cheaper than the Atomos Shinobi or the small HD Action 5, which are around $300 US. The Accsoon app that you monitor and record from is laid out really well. I was literally able to navigate this menu within seconds. Usually, some of these other monitors, it takes a long while to figure out how to use them correctly. For monitoring, it has histogram, zebras, false color waveform, audio level, focus peaking, and many more great features. You can record directly to your camera roll and preview your footage from there. This makes it extremely easy to upload to TikTok, to Instagram, to YouTube Shorts. And you can stream right to Facebook, Twitch, or YouTube right from that. Now let's move on to talking about the cons. The pros were really awesome, but there are a few drawbacks. The max output for recording is 1080, 60 frames per second. Now this is perfectly fine if you're just doing social media content, but if you plan to do client work with this product, you're not going to get to the highest possible image. So I would suggest getting something like the Atomos Ninja V. It also doesn't come with a battery, which may not matter to you if you have a bunch of Sony NPF 750 batteries laying around, but if you don't, you're gonna have to go out and purchase one. It also doesn't come with an HDMI cable, which again may not matter to you. I personally have a bunch of these laying around, but if you don't, you're gonna have to purchase that as well. The last con is that it requires your iPhone. Usually people need to use their iPhone for other reasons other than monitoring. It would be a pain if you had to take a call or something while filming. But if you have an old iPhone laying around, such as the one I have here, make good use of it, use it as your monitor, and then you can still free up your primary phone for reasons that it should be used for. Also, as far as I know, this product is only compatible with iPhones and iPads. If you're an Android user, you're out of luck. So who is this product for? The Accsoon SEEMO is great for content creators and vloggers that need to upload content immediately. If you're not a content creator or vlogger, this may not be the best product for you. But overall, I think it's a really cool piece of gear, and I haven't seen anyone else create something like this. I'll link this product in the description where you can check out more of its specifications. Well, that is everything for today, guys. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this? Is it worth getting? Is it not for you? Can you see any other circumstances where you could use this effectively? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.